In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an image or photo to your video in CapCut. So we're going to start by opening the CapCut application, and you can either open an existing project or select new project. Now I'm just going to click on new project and then go and select the video that you want to use in your timeline. I'm going to click on this video here and press add. Now that we have the video in the timeline, you need to make sure this clip here is deselected. So at the moment you can see the clip is selected. Now to deselect this, you just need to click somewhere in the black space below the timeline. So as you can see now, it's deselected, and what we can do is click on overlay in the bottom navigation, select add overlay, and then what you need to do is select the photo that you want to add on top of this video. So I'm going to select this photo here and click on add, and now as you can see, this photo has now been placed on top of the video clip. So you can now reposition and also resize this. Once you're finished, just click on export in the top right hand side, and it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you add photos to your videos in CapCut. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.